Enjoy an effortless undone French twist even on short hair thanks to Grip-Tuth combs. Start by gathering your hair into a high ponytail, trying to capture as much of the layers as possible. Twist the hair together and upwards and lay flat against your head, with the ends loose at the top of your head. Using the regular 1.5-inch teeth-length Grip-Tuth comb, smooth and comb the hair over, capturing some of the outer layer of the twist in the teeth of the comb. Then flip the comb and carefully insert it into the base of the twist, ensuring that the full length of the twist is secured by the comb. Then arrange the ends loosely at the top of your head. Having your hair curled prior helps to create this undone silhouette. Pull out any additional waspy layers to complete the look. For those final short nape layers, now we will use a shorty Grip-Tuth comb. Gather the remaining hair and hold upwards. Comb the hair upwards using the shorty Grip-Tuth comb and flip the comb, inserting downwards to secure the section. As the shorty Grip-Tuth comb feature teeth of only 1 inch long, this helps to secure even the shortest layers at the back. Tuck any ends into the base of the main twist. By utilising specific features and teeth length difference between the regular and shorty Grip-Tuth combs, you can work with the specific needs of your hair sections and create secure updos even on short hair.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.